Have your time, please. Moving on. All right, are we all looking at the same thing? Okay, great. So first thing I want us to do before we what's going on? Know that if it's not on top of your base map will cover it too. Alright, so which state? Sorry, me I'm from Ogun State. Clip out your state from there. We all know how to clip from. We all know how to extract data from an already existing data. So extract your state, please, everybody. Extract your state to wherever you come from. Today is partially judgment day. I will not answer certain questions.
We should extract from it or just
Where you are from now? Where are you from? Extract your state Imo so. It's me that is from Ogun State though. Please, let's be fast. Have you extracted your state? It doesn't take more than 2 seconds. Mr. Taiwo, have you extracted your state? Okay. Mr. Danny, have you extracted your state? Tayo, have you extracted your state?
I just added I didn't take that.
You did not take the state shape file.
Yes.
Why?
I don't know.
Okay, Stanley, have you extracted your state? Oh yeah, extract it. Just to go over it, please look up everybody. Since we're having, it's not something that is hard. You click, make sure that your state is selected. Go to select by attributes. Click on where state name equals to whatever state you come from. Okay. When you've done that, it's selected. Right click on the state. Right click on the state and go to data, then export features button. Yeah, it's not something that it takes long, please. Have you done it? If 3 people have done it, we'll move on. No. Today is judgment day. Asma, ṣe tán. Tayo. Huh? Oh. Stanley, have you done it? Wahab, have you done it? Which state are you from? Okay. Mr. Wo, you've done it again?
Go to your
Click on OK, cancel it. Click on OK. Click on OK, sir. Just click on the folder sign beside. No, no need to no need to put it back as well. Just click on the folder sign beside. Just click on that folder sign beside. Go to folders. Save it inside the name of that thing, folder that is the name of the project. Ma? Give it the name and okay. This thing is 2 seconds work, please. I think pẹ́ lórí ẹ̀. Yeah, click OK, please. Let's move on fast, abeg. Please, let me have your attention, please, everybody. I hope you have extracted your states by now. Please, you should have extracted your states by now, sorry. Alright, so another thing we want to do, change the color to no color. Both your state and the old states, change it to no color. So it looks like this. That's half a second, please. Right click on the color this thing here. And just change it to no color. That's half a second work, please.
Yes.
Alright, so are we together? So what we want to do now, details of a political map. Political map should show roads, right?
Yeah.
It should show the water bodies in the area. Then it should show some other features. Then we'll also show land use. Alright, so first thing we are going to be doing, we are going to be clipping this Nigeria free latest free. You see that there are several shapefiles under it. You have land buildings, land use, natural places, blah 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 blah, the likes. Alright, so first thing we should add, first of all, drag and drop the land use there. GIS underscore OSM underscore land use, drag and drop. Let's be fast about that, please. Yes. Are we all looking at the same thing? We don't have time. Oh.
Yes, we are looking at the same thing. My color is different. So we are not basically looking at the same thing. Something like that.
That could bring so a job. The land use, let's start with that. Alright, so we need to clip this land use to your state, right? Yes. So what you are going to do is you go to your tools and look for clip. Go to your toolbox, look for clip. Please, let's be fast. We need to be on the same page. Are we on the same page? Are we looking at the clip too?
Yes.
Alright. So yeah. So clip, the input feature or data set is your land use. The clip feature is your state. We are clipping the land use to our state, right? So my own is this land use. I'm clipping it to Ogun State. So where I want to save to, I mean, if you want to change the place you are saving it, so I'll just change this to land use. Then click on run.
Wait, next question. Open a new folder of land use to save them.
Wherever you want to save it to, that one is your concern.
No follow, I using save system.
Once you are done clipping, it should look like this now. It should be clipped to your state. Just turn off the distinct layer so you can see that it's clipped to your state. To confirm, please. Then if you're done confirming that it has clipped to your state, just remove this GIS OSM land use, remove it from your workspace. We need our workspace to be clean. So whatever is not, we are not using there, you remove it sharp. Alright, the next thing we are clipping, we'll be clipping to our state is these places. This one, this one with the points. You know, this anything you see with this shape, this polygon, this point, and it's the points that we need. So click on the places points, the one that is with the 3 dots. Then pick that, drag and drop to your workspace. You should be seeing this by now. Yes, click that to same process until you get to the end of the things we don't need anymore. Clip that places to your state. Once you are done clipping, remove the GIS OSM places, remove it from your workspace.
So I think you clipping to Ondo land, the land use, the one that already has the land use. Is that one clip?
You are clipping to your state. Whatever you are clipping it to your state.
Yeah. So because it's bringing out the land use one.
No, it's the Ondo now, your state boundary itself. You understand? Whatever you are clipping, your state boundary.
Even this that point now will be the input feature or data set to be
What was the input feature for the land use? No, please don't answer him. Don't answer him. What was the input feature for the foolish question? Web developer. So the next thing we are clipping, let's do this POIS, the point own. The point own or the POIS, GIS OSM POIS, the point, the one with the 3 dots, drag and drop. You should be looking at this by now. So you also clip that to your state. POIS, yes, the point. Clip that to your POIS, the one with points, not the polygon own or the point. Yes, clip it too. And once you are done clipping it, remove the GIS OSM from your workspace. Your workspace should be looking like this now. We have clipped land use, we have clipped places, we have clipped PIOS. It should be looking like this by now. No extra jawara inside, please. Next thing we are adding is this railway. Please add the railway, GIS OSM railway. Add railway line. And same thing, go and clip it to your state. This is a typical way you are working for a client now.
Sorry, what do you say we're adding now?
I've clicked my railway. There's no railway, remove it, just remove it.
What's the time? Come from
So no worries, just remove it. You get, don't clip, don't do anything, just remove it.
If I clip out now.
If you don't have railway in your state, just remove it too. Don't go through the stress. Alright, the next thing we are dealing with is roads. Please add the roads. Add the roads, oh please. Add the roads. Let's go and clip the roads too to our state.
You don't have railway in our own.
Congratulations.
Next one is
Roads. Clip the roads to your state. It might take some time because the road is plenty.
Use the hand of Lucio. How do you? Good day. I used to can expand that, but because I don't know.
So you said we should click the road.
Yes.
So I used to.
So the next thing we are clipping now.
Wait.
Oh chill. Oh chill. Oh chill. Imagine a client call you that I need the map in the next 1 hour. And they must slow by. So you tell somebody tell you want to do mapping when you tell the person you cannot do it, they play. You will charge the person more now and make sure that you finish what you are doing. What if it's even your own project? Project supervisor said that come back in the next 1 hour and present again. Alright, up next, this water. Okay. This GIS, OSM, water, blah blah. First we'll do the polygon, then we'll do the line. Kini mo ṣe?
Yeah, fast. Why you click though? What is the next thing now? It's slow. I don't know finish clipping now. I'm clipping. This time is looking at everything.
Alright, so what we are clipping is so far you should have clipped places, you should have clipped PIOS, you should have clipped road, you should have clipped railways, we also have land use. Then we are going to add the water body, we are going to add the waterway. So that one too. So the next one, you see that there are two water. You have water alone, then you have waterway. So let's start with the ordinary water first. That one is polygon, so that's the water body. So they should be seeing the same thing that I'm seeing on my screen now.
So now this is water.
Yes, the water, the polygon first. There's no other, sha. Anyhow you want to do it. Then clip it to your state as usual. I hope people are naming this thing some name that you will remember, because that time now that somebody will name it Olorun Shanu name. So the last one will be the waterway, that's the line of water, the lines. So the waterways, that's the last one there. Waterway.
Sir John, you just a few me like you walk out.
You know get water cake.
We still don't get water.
Please, we should be done by now. Let's move on. Let's move, because we have map design, whole map design to do. We have a whole map design to do. I've not even done the symbology, so. Alright. So in the process now, you see that I told you that when you are doing work in GIS, there's always a process. First thing we did now was to first of all sort our study areas, clip our other data to our study area. Then now next thing we are moving on is to do the symbology then before we go to our map design. It's still doing.
Zero. Didn't tell your state again, but now.
Did you write updating or what's he writing there? No, what's the information under the clip? He wrote rolling.
Running. Under the clip.
Oh, he just wrote running.
Yes.
It's because this thing is slow. Is he reading now?
Yes. This one now. No.
Alright, wait. Alright, are we together? Mr. Daniel, you have not been saying anything. No.
I'm trying to do.
Okay. Praise the Lord.
Hallelujah.
So what's our reason?
Have you clicked water already?
Yes.
Yeah, waterway is the last one. How many of us have clicked up to waterway?
Yeah, I'm seeing the
Alright.
points.
Well, but I never asked for your opinion.
You said how many of you?
Whatever I am asking in class, please consider yourself not part.
Alright.
Please.
Very well. Thank you.
I don't like to talk. I used to think that people that are bored is a sign of wisdom. But
But it's okay, it's different.
You have a way of saying.
Zion,
Wow.
I don't feel like
please, I want to step up for a minute, boy. Please, oh. Okay.
Where are breasts?
This looks like fruit. You know how those blueberries sing?
Oh, yeah, oh. That's why I said that the ordinary water, the second to the last. Have you clicked down?
How many indicates? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Especially why did you open everything?
When you own everything, do you like what you are saying?
No, it looks like a fruit. Like,
Alright, praise the Lord. You have your answer with you.
alright.
Thank you. Now, Emma, thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, yeah, oh. Are we on the same page?
What's this?
Glucose is off for me, but how do you ever get that?
Oh, yeah, symbology. So for us to better visualize what we are doing properly, you can turn off every other layer and leave. Let's start with the places, sorry. Turn off every other layer and let's have just the places on top. Are we together? Right click on your places and go to symbology.
We should check everything.
I mean, if you like what you see, leave it. If you don't like what you see, off every other thing and on places alone. Are we together? Remember I said that we have to narrow down our data, right? Are we together, everybody? We have to narrow down our data. So when you click on symbology, we should be looking at the same thing right now. Please, I need responses. Are we looking at the same thing? Yeah?
Those clipping that we do,
What?
the clipping we see.
It's clipping.
You know that you said symbology. I was thinking there was a name.
No, clipping is clipping. Symbology is symbology. Alright, so it's on single symbology right now, single symbol. But we need to narrow down our data, and to narrow that down, we need to, if you are not following me and you ask question, please, I will not go back. Thank you. It's a threat. Alright, moving on. So instead of single symbols, we'll be using unique values. Unique values takes unique values in our attribute table. Are we together? It takes the unique things in our attribute table and returns it for us. So in this field now, your field is on OSM ID, am I right?
Yeah.
So instead of that, now change it to F class. It is the class, feature class that it's inside your attribute table now. It is a field in your attribute table. Yeah. Alright, so we want to narrow down our data. We can see that what we just need now, we just need the city, the town, and the village. So we don't need this hamlet and locality. Are we together? So click on the hamlets, hold control, click on locality. Or still hold your control, click on this all other value, right click and remove. The only thing that should be here is city, town, and village. Remove every other thing. If you don't have city, just town and village. But what you should have is city, town, village, or town, village, or city and so that's what you should have there. Right click and remove. Are you together? Please, we need to move on. These things are just things that should not take more than 2 minutes. Back it, press back. Is the mouse pad having issues or what? Yes? You showing what? Because she clicked on land use, she's not on places. Please do have our attention, please. Let's move on sharp. Please everybody look up. Oh. So now double click on this symbol beside the city, double click on it. Double click on that symbol on the city. Are we together? Are we on the same page?
No.
So now in the gallery, search for city. In your gallery, search for city. Are we together? Have you searched for city? Okay. Scroll down to where you have this symbol. Scroll down in that city to where you have this one, this ArcGIS 2D. Scroll down to where you have this symbol on my screen that I selected here, that I highlighted here. Scroll down to where you have city all. Yes, then click on it. Are we together? When you clicked on it, you see that it changed the symbol of cities here. Am I right? Alright. So, Mr. John, please assist me. Thank you. You are doing something. Moving on. Please, I have no words. Once you are done, are we together, please? Once you are done, press back, then double click on your town. Double click on your town symbol. If it's 6 o'clock, will you be here today? No, just search for the same city. Yes, we are using the same symbol but different colors. Do you get the point? That same symbol you use for the city, click on it again. Yes, we are using it for town too. Go back, double click on the town, and yeah, so when you clicked on the symbol, go to properties. You can see properties beside gallery, abi? Yes, so change the color. Yeah,
Which of the same icon?
Same one.
What color? Red.
So change the color to this cherry wood brown. This cherry wood brown, yeah. No need to count, just it's under that red this thing.
Before you get to black,
It's on the third row.
6 from
Change it to cherry brown, click on apply. Click on apply. We should be looking at the same thing now. Are we looking at the same thing now? I'm waiting for them for us to be on the same page. Mr. Daniel, we're on the same page. Alright. We give God thanks.
Wow.
I like you.
Oh yeah. So now press back and double click on the village symbol. Now we are going to use no color for this village because the villages, they are too much, right? I don't know about your state, but the villages are kind of like too much, and what we want is to label those. For example, if you look at your base map, let me use one example. If you look at your base map, you see that you see names of some places scattered all around, right? Just like this, right? So we just want their names. We don't want the symbol to be there. So go to the when you double click on it, just go to properties, click on the color, no color, the outline color too, same thing, no color, and click on apply. So this will disappear from your workspace.
But there's outline now. We should also outline too.
Hmm?
We should also remove outline.
Yes, remove the outline color too.
So we are not representing anything. Isn't it? I would have it.
You will get the point later. Under properties, you see outline, you see color, you see outline color, outline width, size, blah blah blah. Just remove all the outline color and
They'll click on village, the symbol for village.
are we together? We are done with places now. So let's move on to the PIOS. We click on the PIOS, the symbology to automatically goes to symbology PIOS. So we have less than a few minutes more, so let's move to PIOS, yes?
Outline does not have outline, just color. That's color, size,
And remove the color, no color. Is it still showing anything?
It's showing the symbol alone has. Let's change the symbol. Let's change the symbol.
Are you on the fence like what is the question?
Did you choose anything? Did you pick anything?
Use a surface.
Change the color. No, you don't.
Everything
You don't have
here.
no color. Click on it. No, that's not color. That's what I told you. Click on it.
Alright, so let's move to PIOS, please. Imagine slow. PIOS. Let's move to PIOS.
There are still some points that are showing.
Is your PIOS on?
No, it's only places that is on, but I still have
Did you remove all other values from there?
yes.
We left only 60
I
down.
only left
You did not remove the all other values.
Down. 60 down.
Just remove that one.
We shall check. Should we uncheck this?
Hmm?
We
You
should
can
not check.
check it if you like.
If you like, anything you like. So let's go to our PIOS.
I should have clicked it.
Right click and remove. So we are moving to PIOS. PIOS tool, click on the unique values, same process, F class. Did you change the field to F class? Please, let's work together on this PIOS, please. I need everybody's attention.
It says more than
Change the
100
field to F class. You change it to name, F class. Everybody, please, let's work together. Are we on the PIOS now? Are we looking at the same thing? Alright, remove every other thing except from bank, market, school. Except from bank, market, and school. Yeah. Except from bank, market, school. Yeah, and hospital. Remove every other thing except from hospital, bank, market, and school.
remove everything except hospital, bank, market.
Yes. I think we're all computer literate, so we know how to select things.
Old sheets. If you want to select multiple.
So I think it's better they hold control because they have to skip some. Okay.
So we shall have only bank, hospital, and school.
Bank, hospital, market, school.
What I'm seeing in the marketplace.
Yeah, that's new.
Not supermarket. The supermarket also.
Remove supermarket abeg.
So that means you're having 4 things.
Yes, just 4.
Bank, hospital,
So we should be here now. So double click on your bank. In the gallery, search for your symbology bank. Search for bank.
Sorry, for this, how do you highlight here?
Hold control.
Okay, control, right? Control down. Is it control down?
No, just control. Hold control and be selecting it one after the other.
You know, it's still going to this place. So you hold shift, that's how everything will happen. You still hold control, scroll down. So you do the same thing.
Remember to remove all other values. Oh.
You click on this.
Should just be looking at 4 things here.
Sorry.
What?
I've deleted more than what that's to delete.
Just click on this plus sign here.
Okay, I'm going to add my
Go and add the one that you removed. Have you seen it there? Alright. So double click on the bank, just like we were doing our places. Double click on the bank. Please let's be fast. Double click on the bank. Have you double clicked on it? Search for bank. You see the ATM sign, abi ATM symbol. Click on the ATM symbol. But bank is usually blue, right? I mean, like, I think so. So just can change it to one dark blue. Any shade of blue. Anyone you like. Anyone you like. Ma?
What kind of blue? Deep blue?
Yeah, I think so. You use something like navy blue with deep blue.
Which one did you use?
What?
That ATM, that first one.
This one, I use this one.
ATM too.
No, this ATM I'm talking about. This one that looks like card. Yeah. So now there's a trick here. Once you have done bank, now instead of pressing back to go back, under your PIOS, you see that you already added the bank hospital in your contents pane. Here, I see it there. So just click on hospital from there. You see that it has changed format point symbol hospital. It has changed the name to hospital. So in your gallery now, search for hospital. When you search for hospital, is this sign the one with the heartbreak? This thing. No, you're not changing the color, just red like that. Then click on marketplace. In your gallery again, search for market. I usually prefer to use this one under the primitives. Just this black one. Don't change the color again, just leave it as that, just leave it as black.
This is the data I'm working on. 1 year.
The OSM data.
This is the data I'm working on.
OSM updates, I think it should be this year, it should be updated this year.
Hospital.
No, you know that there are clinics. We removed clinic. There are some that they put doctors there. There's doctor, there's clinic, there's pharmacy. Some of them might be classified as hospitals. You get, but maybe it's just these ones that maybe it's general hospital that they put here like that. But those pharmacies will have more again clinics than doctors and stuff. So you just change the symbology like that. Then go to school. In your gallery again, search for school. Then click on this one under the ArcGIS 2D. And change the school color to golden brown, yeah?
What sign do you use for market?
See it here. This one here. That looks like a cat. For ATM, the blue. Change that school color to something like, I think this raw umber should do. Or any color you like, honestly, any color. No stress it. So we are done with PIOS.
Which one should we
Sir? For the school under the ArcGIS 2D, just choose this school, the one with the building with the flag on top.
That's the ArcGIS 2D.
Yeah. Alright, so we move to waterway. So now normally I'm just supposed to change, are we together? Normally I'm just supposed to change the color of my, if your waterway is not looking as rough as mine, you can just change the color to blue just like that, like no need to do unique values. Are we together? Now assuming my waterway, I just want to use it the way it is, I will just double click on the single symbol like that and just change it to blue, right? But because mine looks rough and I want to filter it, I will just use that, I'll change it to unique values. Field will be the F class. So I'll remove, what I will remove here now, I'll remove the canal, I'll remove drain,
So for the waterways, we should do the same thing.
for the waterway, if your own is not rough, if it's just normal lines like you are seeing here,
What's actually wrong?
it's extremely rough, okay, use unique values, F class. You can remove all those ones that are making it look rough, do you get? Then leave the one that makes it look like it has sense to some extent.
So I should remove canal. I know.
Yeah, you can remove canal, you can remove drain, I don't know.
River is more because I think it was better.
Why did you pick
Okay, yeah, Delta River, if it's that one, just leave Delta alone.
Because I did
Now water too plenty. Now I but wait, like turn it, let me see. You can remove streams, just leave rivers. Yeah, that's how it is. Just leave it. Just leave it. Alright, so moving on, are we together? I'm done with my own waterway here. So the next thing we are dealing with is the roads. So the road, same process, change it to unique values.
So for the waterways, we are not changing anything.
Yeah, don't change it.
I just want to. Yes. Shall I use the picture class and still
Change it to blue or change the line to blue.
everything?
The waterway line, change it to blue.
Yes.
Your water should be blue.
I'm confused.
So the road, we are going to unique values for our roads, and we are changing the field to F class, remember the feature class. So now in the road, the only roads that we are leaving, hello everybody, I'm writing it on the board though. The only roads, under the roads, you are only leaving primary, leave secondary, leave tertiary, leave trunk.
We have truck.
Remove every other thing that does not look like this. Yeah. Thank you. Please, let's remove it. Let's be fast with the removal process, please. You are removing every other thing except this one's on the board.
So our primary link.
Remove everything that is not the same name with that thing on the board. Thanks. Thanks and God bless. And let's be very fast about it, please.
Trunk. Are we? Not track.
Trunk, not track, trunk. Remove all other values. So now, what you now do for me is that primary road here, you see label by the side here. You know he wrote it 2 times, primary. Double click on the last one and change it to major road. Change it to major road.
Secondary.
Leave the secondary as secondary, but change the thing to capitalize this S and put road in front, secondary road.
Any shade of blue.
Change tertiary to tertiary. Just leave it as, no, sorry. Change the tertiary to minor road, sorry. Minor roads. Change the trunk to highway. Change the trunk to highway. Change the trunk to highway. So now let's start changing the symbology. For the primary road, really you can use any symbol that goes with road, but let's just change it to black. Let's change it to black, then increase the line width. Primary. Let's start with the primary. We are changing it to black and increase the line width. So let's say 5. Then go to the secondary. Just do it from here, so you don't have to be pressing back. Do it from the content pane. Click on the secondary. So now for that secondary road, are we together? For that secondary road, scroll down to where you have this symbol here, this single nautical dash. Click on that and go to properties.
Single nautical.
Yes. And change it to the same size that you gave the same line width that you gave the primary road. I think I gave my 5 if I'm not wrong. And click on apply. You said? For the minor road, go to gallery. No, you're not changing the color. So for the minor road, if you come to your gallery, you see minor road on top, right? The first the third one on the first line there, click on it, minor road. Change it to the same size, 5. Like me, I'm using 5. I don't know what you're using.
That minor road.
Yes. So for the highway,
What color are you giving it?
you're not changing the color. I asked you to pick it from the gallery. Don't change the color.
Okay.
Highway.
The highway, go to your gallery and change it to this ramp. This ramp here. Yeah, change the ramp to ramp. You're not changing the color, to just increase the size to the same size you have been using for uniformity. Okay, great. We are done with roads. Let's move to the railway. My own has railway. If your own does not have railway, just look at us. So for the railway, you are not using unique values at all. Just double click on this symbol. Just double click on the symbol. Go to gallery. You'll see railroad inside your gallery. Change it to railroad. Go to the properties. Change the color to black and increase the line width.
No, I thought you used black already.
It's not the same sign. The railroad is not the same sign. In your gallery, have you seen railroad there? You see, it's not the same sign. So increase the size.
To 5.
Maybe a little bit thicker than that, because this one here now.
Yes.
All right. The funny thing is that when we go to our, you might not see it, but when we go to our layout, we might need to change the sizes of these things because they might look smaller, they might look too big, so we might need to change it. So it is not like, that's why I said that there is no one way to it, because as a graphic designer now, if you are checking some things, you see that this one is too big, let me reduce it compared to others and this and that to balance everything. All right, next we are moving to the land use, the water body. The water body, just, you are not doing any unique values. Water. I don't know what you named yours. The polygon one. So double click on the symbol, change the color to the same blue that you gave that river. The same blue that you gave it. I gave it this Moira blue. So I'm changing it back to that same blue. And the outline color should be no color. And then apply. No color. Yes, you're not changing it. So outline, we are not changing it, just remove the outline color. Do you get? We don't want the outline to be there. So the next thing, we are going to the land use. Same color you use for that river, for the line. Alright, so we move to land use. Click on unique values, F class. The field will be F class as usual. So now we want everything in our we want to remove other things except from in our land use. In our land use, what we are not removing. Do you have our attention? In our land use, what you want there is we want commercial, we want industrial, we want residential, we want forest, we want shrub. We want shrub and orchard if you have in your own. People are not listening. In our land use, remove every other thing except from commercial, industrial, residential, forest, shrub and orchard. Let's do that fast. Ma? No, unique values.
Change the sign. You see one road sign like that. It's symbolic.
Mind you, your personal preference. If you know that you don't want to remove all these ones I'm removing, you can leave it though. This is just personal. I'm just imagining that I'm the client. So let's start changing the color. If you double click on commercial in the gallery, you see commercial in the gallery there. So you see commercial there, click on commercial in the gallery. Okay, sir. In that your gallery, you see commercial there. You have seen it. See commercial there. Okay. Yes, just click on it. No need to change anything for that. So for the forest, change it to the color of this park. Change your forest to park. In your gallery, you see park. Change it to park. Yes, but I mean the forest in the symbology we are using for it is the park symbology in the gallery. So another thing is industrial. There's industrial inside your gallery too. And it doesn't mean as far as it doesn't matter. There are some states that does not have it, they don't have it. Alright, so for the residential, this is where it gets tricky a bit. Are you with me? Is everybody with me? For the residential, you scroll down to there's video that I watch over the weekend. No, you're not removing forest though. Have you seen it? The commercial is in your gallery already. Just change it to commercial. There are some of them that you might not have there. Just leave it as it is. But like I said, that I get everything. Okay, no wala. Alright, so commercial is in your gallery already. No need for you to change any color. Just click on commercial there. For the forest, use the park symbology in your gallery. For the industrial, use industrial in your gallery.
For commercial, what should we do?
There's commercial in your gallery. Have you seen the commercial there? No need to even search for it. It's not far. There's industrial in your gallery. Use that one. There is a park symbol in your gallery. Use that one for forest. Then for residential, scroll down to where you have this 10% cross hatch. Scroll down to where you have this 10% cross hatch. Alright, for the residential. So click on it, go to properties, change the color to red. Go to where you have 10% cross hatch. Scroll down to where you have this 10% cross hatch. And change the outline color to no color. So you should be looking like this. Yeah. The outline color should be no color. Color should be red. So for the shrub, sorry. Yeah, so for the shrub, scroll down to where you have, for you that have orchard, use this orchard here. If you have orchard, use this orchard. For shrub, use this second orchard. You know there are two orchards there. The first one for orchard if you have orchard. The second one for shrub if you have shrub. This one for shrub, this one for orchard.
I don't have shrub.
No problem. No problem. Alright. So praise the Lord, we just finished preparing our data. There's one thing missing here, but well, just go with what we have. Alright, so the next thing we are going to do now, you see this our state boundary that we brought in before. You're going to turn it on. You're now going to label it. You're going to label it. Going to change that. Going to label it. Change the font size or the font type to whatever you want. Now you get them. Alright. One second. Okay. So that Ogun State, I'm sorry, your state go here. You gotta change the symbology, make the outline thicker. Your state now.
Like for the boundary.
Your state boundary. I don't get.
Label. The color for the bridge, right boundary.
I don't. The color for what?
The Nigerian boundaries.
Yeah, turn off the color. I mean, remove no color. It's just outline that you need there. Do you get? No color. Then the outline for your state. You know you extracted your state. The outline for your state, make it thicker.
Say the label.
For state.
For the state. I think the font I want. What is I supposed to do?
Oh, you can increase the size if you want to. Yeah, the designer. Alright, so moving on.
I'm saying I'm not seeing anything.
You're not seeing the state.
Like when you press it, you're seeing names of states.
Names of state as in. Did you label it? Right click and click on label. The park symbology. Industrial. Please, we are moving to layouts now. We have 10 minutes, please. So your state itself, change the outline width. Make it thicker. Your state that you extract, have you done it freestyle? Okay. Then you have labeled this one to Mr. Daniel. I will should be laughing. Okay. Alright, so we are moving to layouts now. There's a video, so you can just catch up when you get home, but there's really no time now. Let's move to layouts, please. Insert a new layout fast, please. Insert a new layout. Depending on the size of your state, well, everybody, let's use this one, A0 landscape. Yeah, no, landscape, please, landscape. A0 landscape. Yes.
Okay.
Let's use A0. Alright, so map frame. We're inserting our map frame. Draw your map frame. Because my Ogun state is very wide, is wider than it is long, right? I'm going to put my map elements below instead of by side. Assuming my state is longer than it is fat, I'm going to like put my map elements by the side. But because Ogun state is wider than it is long, I'll put my map element under. And your map is the main map, so the element should not take too much of space under it. Your own is longer, then do it by the side.
Mine is like this.
Delta is okay. That delta, put it under. Don't put it by the side.
Top is. I put something like this.
Yeah, make it like my own.
Sometimes you draw a rectangle too.
So now you're looking at it like this. Now right click on your state. I'll right click on my Ogun state now. Zoom to layer. Are we together? Now highlight your map frame and change the scale. Now this my own. Sorry, don't change the scale if your own is not. My own, I want it to be more zoomed in. Do you understand? So now I'll just change my scale to, I'll reduce the scale. Remember, the smaller the scale, the bigger the map. Are we together? So I'm changing my own to, let's say I'm using 270. I need it to come in. Kristen,
What is your map and this?
did you add map frame?
Yes.
Okay, click on the map frame and add the map that you are doing. Now you realize that if you are looking at this thing and you realize that the symbology we used now looks like it's small, right? So that's why I'm saying that at the end of the day you need to tweak these things. Okay, so let's go back to, let's start from I don't advise that anyways, yes, let's start from places. So we go to the city and we increase the size. Let's say we increase it to like 20. Let's not increase it too much. Let's say we increase it to 20. I know you don't like it. I have a map of Delta here that can be your guide a little bit. Where is it? See the Delta map that I have here.
I want to do everything like this. You see.
Zoom to layer now. Like zoom to layer on your Delta states. Right click on your Delta and zoom to layer. Have you done that? Is it showing now? Great. Alright, so we are increasing the sizes. I mean that Delta, I don't advise that increase any size, but you can increase it, sha. So I'm changing the town to 20. Yeah, just start increasing the size anyhow. So this PIOS to go to that, so I increase it to 20. Yeah, exactly right. Exactly. Oh, I've not been clicking on apply. I've not even been clicking on apply safe. Can you imagine? But those ones should be like, they are close. You can increase it to more than 20. Do you understand? Can increase it to more than 20.
I think around 40. It's this time. Which kind of state?
Yeah, which kind of state as how? No be you get the state. Alright, so moving on, let's go to our waterway and increase the line width. Increase it to maybe 3. Let's see what 3 will do for us. Okay, that's no, don't increase it. Don't increase that delta one. Abeg. Alright, so we'll go to the roads. We'll go to the roads. If your road is looking like it's not big enough for you, you can change it, but I'll just leave mine as it is really. Alright, so the labeling for that state, you see that it became so small, so you can change the labeling, change the size
So you said
to,
we should leave the roads, right?
I mean, if you like it, leave it. If you don't like it, increase it.
Precious. I'm having two labeling of delta.
That's because you turn on delta state itself. Right click on your delta state and unlabel it. Right click on your delta and click on that label.
The label is not
It's not on.
Yes.
It's not on. Okay.
If I click on it, there's another label. There's another delta state that is coming up.
Is your base map on?
This map, no.
Suicidal things.
No, it's not an issue.
Let's start that one there. 100%.
I was using that part.
Come out, no.
Alright. Are we together?
Yes.
Okay, so moving on, you realize that the outline of this my own state now, the outline is looking like it's small. So I want to change the outline, increase the outline with increase the outline width to maybe, I don't know, whatever changes for you, Sha. Alright, me, I'm changing it to 5. Your state this thing, yes. Increase the outline width.
I thought, okay, we changed it before, but you increase it.
In case like it's looking faint, is it not? Yeah. So okay. Alright.
Can I change the color?
Color of what?
The delta state. The value.
And change it now, change it to black. Change it. You are the designer. You design. What else are we supposed to?
Railway. Not the railway. Not the.
If you want to increase it. But me, I'm not interested. There's no time.
Yes.
Increase it if you want to increase it. There's no time. You are the designer. Alright. So, increase it to whatever makes sense to you there. So right click on places and label. Click on label. Can right click on places and label it. Right click on places and label it. Label your places. If you want to change the yes, label those places. Don't increase the size though. Maybe I would just leave this one on 10.
Just to click on label, like turn on.
Label the places, yes. Turn on the label. Yeah.
Then go to the edit.
Edit key.
No, like to the edit.
Oh,
Like this.
if
stuff,
you want
that's
to.
what I'm talking about.
If you want to really, if you want to change anything, change it. But for me, I just want to make it sleek and I want it to be small as it is, because if you increase it now, it might look yama. So moving on, let's add our border line. Moving on to our border line here. Draw your border line around the paper. So today I'll show us how to export map too. So
I did it.
is what? Can you turn your laptop?
So I want to show you that I made it proud.
Yes, where is that PDF? That's actually nice.
Wait, the expressions, where are we?
We just added borderline. Add your borderline.
What are we adding borderline from? Where, how?
You don't know what borderline? I know. Hey,
I know what borderline is, but where are we going to?
outside now, like outside. Oh, where are we inserting it from? Yeah, under insert. See this graphic and text. Start it from there. Assuming you Stanley did assignments now, you'll not be asking me cock and bull story. You said?
Is it every beginning to the
Yes, but the thing is that sometimes if you add it outside like that, it will not end up showing. So like that's why you like reduce it inside the paper. See what I did? I increased it and I reduced it inside the paper a little bit. Yeah.
What happens here is going to
You don't mind show one more back. Click on the polygon and draw it.
This will be all paid fully.
Yes, ma'am. It's borderline, ma'am. You will go back.
borderline on the map. Let me understand.
You don't know what borderline is.
I know what borderline.
See what I'm doing here? This borderline. This thing, this is borderline.
When you clicked on the
Polygon, then you draw it around the map. It will give you a plus sign, then you draw.
When I did mine, I already left space for this place and when it
Yes,
started,
and you now draw it outside it. See it now, this is my own here.
it was outside.
Like, see, like when you draw it, you are putting it outside. Do you get? This is my map frame here. This, sorry. Let me send it to back. Order send to back. See now, this is my map frame, right? That we drew like this.
Yes.
So now I want to put borderline all around the paper size, the layout. This white space is our layout, Abi. So that's why I drew this one on the this thing. So as the borderline that I encapsulate everything. Yes, sir. Alright, so we have added borderline. Moving on.
I think it was this borderline that was overriding them.
Yeah, click on it and send to back. Yeah.
You send the borderline to back.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. So moving on. Let's add the grid line. So click on your map frame and go and add the coordinate around. Add the grid. Why you not showing? Okay. So now I'm going to tweak my own grid because I definitely do not like what it's looking like. So I'll come to my properties. Under this interval, I'm going to uncheck this automatically adjust. Then go to the next symbol by the side. Then I'm going to, under the this ticks one, I'll just remove this. Then the labels, I'll increase the interval to whatever suits my fancy at the end of the day if I like it. Yeah, I think, I'm not sure, but I think I'm good with 5. Let me change my grid to lines to 5 too. Let me see. I don't think I like this. So let me change it to maybe 10. Alright, I think I like this 10. So I'll just change every other one to 10. So I'll go and increase my labels, the label property. I'll go and increase it.
Look at him. This green. Look at the bigger.
Oh, you're just starting. Oh, Jim.
Is it the one inside or outside?
Anyone you like. Anyone you like. There's no rule to it. So anyone you like.
So very good. Because that makes that one expand.
Oh, Jim. Oh, Jim. My God. My God. My God. I went to add my grid. I chose this one. Are we following? I chose this one. Stanley, don't ask me a question again. I chose this one. Then I opened up the properties. Right? When I opened up the properties, I said that when you open up properties, this is where it brings you to. Right? Uncheck this automatically adjust. It's checked on your own. Uncheck it. Now go to the next one beside this component. Go to the component beside. Are we together? When you get to that component, click on the grid lines and this interval. What is your own interval on? 0, 1. Okay, increase the minutes. Increase the minutes. Maybe change it to like 5. If you not like it, then fine.
I should change it from 0 to
See it here.
5.
And check it. Huh? Do you like the 5 that you are seeing? Do you like the boxes on your map? Do you like the boxes showing on your map? Are you okay with the size? If you are not okay with the size, increase the minute again. Or just that you cannot increase it past 60 because minute is 60. So increase it again. May I change my own to 10 and I'm satisfied with this. Alright, when you change it to 10, just click on enter. Then alright, click on enter. Do you like what you see? Then it's not only the grid lines you change, you go and change the labels to the same number you change the grid lines to. Go and change your labels to the same number. Change your ticks to the same number too. Are we together?
I have like 2 ticks there.
Remove ticks 1. That ticks 1, remove it. Are we together? You said?
Yes, sir.
Alright. Yes. So moving on, under this, see this thing here, Stanley.
Yes.
This map grid here. Yes, just drop down, click on labels there. Now go and change the font size, the font name, anyone you want to do, the font style, and increase the size too so that your coordinates will be visible. Yeah, you can change the font style and this thing. The mouse is failing me again. Are we on the same page?
Yes.
Okay. Alright, since we've done that, that is that about that. So moving on, we are now going to click on it and let's go and add legend. No, before legend, let's add our insert map first. This is Ogun State. So let's add two insert map, the one that is showing Africa, Nigeria in Africa, then Ogun State in Nigeria. So open two new maps. Go to insert and open new map, two new maps. You're opening two new maps. We have opened that. You now go and copy the first map that you opened. You copy this Nigeria state, copy it and go and paste it there. Paste. So the next one, you copy both Ogun State and the all the states, copy it and go and paste it here.
The next one, copy your state and
The first one is copy, yes, the next one is copy your state and the whole Nigerian state too. Yeah.
So where is it? It's precious. So the first one, what are you adding that?
Nigeria, copy Nigeria and change the color of Nigeria to green, sorry.
Where do you see Nigeria? You should add that green boundary.
This Nigeria that you have now.
You should add that green boundary.
Yes. So and you change the outline color to no color, please. Change the outline color to no color because we are trying to show Nigeria in Africa. We need just the border. We don't need the state. So you should have something like this now.
That's all.
that's no.
No,
All the names in my state is showing.
Unlabel it sharp. I don't think I should tell you that one. Unlabel it.
The second map, what should we do?
The second map, you have your states and the state boundaries too. So both of them there. That outline that you gave it before, that big outline, change the outline, remove the outline color from it. Remove the outline color. Do you understand? Your state itself, remove the outline color, just outline color, and change the color to white. Yes. By 20 minutes after, you go and complete the rest by yourself.
Wait, that's my state.
You not see your state.
Then for the grid, we should move the boundary.
Which grid?
For the Nigeria boundary.
It should be looking like this.
I should bring
Remove the outline color. For the state one, you know you added the two, right? So you're going to change the color of your state to white, then remove the outline color. Yes. And then your the state itself, it should just be the normal way it is. So but now we will not label it, but we're gonna reduce the label, the size. Yes?
How do you add the state itself?
Yes. Yes, yes, in the second one.
I'll go and copy it.
The last one, the one with your state, label Nigeria, but go and reduce the labeling, the label size. Sorry, go and reduce labeling size to maybe like 5. We need it to be very tiny. Doesn't have to show. I'm already back in layout. So now we are going to add those two maps, right? So under map frame, click on this thing, and then let's start with the Nigeria in Africa, which is the first one. So when you click on it, just draw where you want to fix your map element. I don't know where your own is, whether by the left or by the right or or down, like mine. I don't know. So just draw that. So now when you draw it, right click on it and click on activate. Now what we want to do is to show the shape of Nigeria in Africa, Nigeria in Africa, right? So now zoom out till you have the shape of Africa on your base map. Zoom out till you have the shape of Africa on your base map.
You said we should click on activate.
How are you zooming? There's no zoom.
Right click on the frame and click on activate. Zoom out until you have the shape of Africa.
Everything.
Zoom out until you have the shape of Africa. I don't know what you mean by everything. When you are done, just cancel the activation. So now, but there is something that we kind of like left out, and that is what we left out is this. You realize that there is no line demarcating our main map and our map elements. So click on line under your insert, click on line, then draw a line that will serve as a demarcation. You are saying, Stanley?
How do I do that activate?
Right click on your map frame and click on activate.
How do I do it?
My own is at the side, so that
Yeah, exactly.
So which line? That first one.
Hmm?
That first line.
I don't get.
That first line from the line option. Don't worry.
Okay. So now we'll be demarcating our map elements too with lines. We have done the first one, which is Nigeria in Africa B. So you use a line again, draw a line by the side, not so close and not so far. Go to insert and click on line there. Same place that you went to click on polygon.
You don't have to touch the ending part, or just
No, let there be space, like
up to
yes, where your map element is. So let there be space, but not too much space. Do you get? Like as if you want to do a border line.
No. What I'm asking is, up, you should touch.
Yeah, you should touch the border line. Yeah. It's just a small line. Is it a small line you're talking about, Stanley? Let's be on the same page, I beg. Is it this small line you're talking about? So let's go and add our second insert map, which is our state in Nigeria, right?
Special.
Yes.
Is that you allow the line to stay double click?
Yeah, double click. Yeah. When you are done to drop it, double click and drop. It's because there is a video. That's why I'm not. I'm actually really not.
So we can increase the width of the line.
Yeah, you can increase it, but yeah, you can increase it. So you click on the line, you see that it has. You opened up graphic up here, right? So under that graphic, you can increase the line width. You see where it is written 1 pt. So you can change it besides stroke. So you can increase it from there. So let's just add the second insert map. Let's move on. Second insert map. Draw the second insert map, which is our state in Nigeria. Yeah, our state in Nigeria. So you activate it. Sorry, no need to activate it. Just right click on the state, the whole Nigeria, and zoom to layer because we need to see the whole Nigeria. So I think our state is not showing well because it's white. So let's change that state. Oh no need to change it. Click on if you have drawn the insert map, you just click on that the one with your state in Nigeria. Click on it, then go to extent indicator. Under insert, go to extent indicator. Now it's asking you that which of the frames do you want to show the extent on this particular map that you clicked on. So we are showing the map frame, that's the main map frame, right? So you click on map frame. So when you click on map frame, it has added extent of map frame there. So you go to the properties, double click on the symbol and change it to red. The outline color, change it to red. When you change the outline color to red, increase the outline width to like maybe 3 or 4 and apply.
Where did you see extent map?
Under insert, extent indicator. The outline color. Then you increase the outline width.
Does that mean for map frame 1 or map frame 2?
Yes, so that's what I was explaining, that it's asking you that which one of these maps do you want to show the extent on the one you selected. So we are showing our main map where your whole main main this thing is this one that I want to show, and that is our map frame. If you check under this content pane now and you click on map frame, it's going to select this our main map, right? So it's our main map that we want to show the extent on this one. So click on map frame. I just want you to get the point. Alright, so now it has shown, has it added this extent of map frame? Yes. So now that box, now you click on properties, you right click on it and go to properties. So when you go to that properties, when you open the properties, you see this symbol here. Double click on it and change the color to red, then increase the outline width so that it will be visible like this. See my own red box here, and so it will be visible. Yes, that's all on our insert map. So add a line again that will demarcate your the insert map you just drew from the next element you want to add. Just to make our line neat, our this thing, our workspace neat. I think where I will draw the line today is just this legend. Exactly right. So we're just going to, I just want to show something about that legend before we close. Alright, so click on your map frame, like the map frame, just map frame, not map frame 1 or 2, just map frame. If it's selected, click on legend, then draw your legend. Alright, great. If you've drawn your legend now, you see that it has added legend to your drawing order here. It has added legend. Now open up that legend. You know it's collapsed. Open it up. Click on the drop down. Is it opened up now? Now this place is for you to be able to turn off and on any layer that you don't want there. Do you understand? If you don't want places to show, turn it off or whatever. I'm just telling us, but right now we are not turning off anything. Are we together? Alright. So now you see that inside this legend you are having places, then you have F class, right? I want to remove those F class because it doesn't make sense to any reader. They don't understand what F class is, right? Okay. So now scroll down to under your map frame, the main map frame. Scroll down to where you have map frame. Are we there? The one where we have all the places, PIOS and everything. Scroll down, it should be down. Are you there? Oh, it's loading. So what I want to do is, because you did not select this, make it wider. Is it showing dots? Wait, we'll adjust it. Just way to adjust it. So now just scroll down on your drawing order to where you have all these ones here.
Wait, Miss Precious. You said we should drop down the legend. Do the drop down the legend.
I'm just showing you in case you want to turn off a layer that you don't want to show.
So we're not turning off
You
anything.
start on your map first. Then go to legend.
The main map frame, this one where you have your state and everything. Draw it. Yes, it's look, that's what we want to do. I want to show us how to tweak it. Alright, so under the drawing order, scroll down to where you have map frame. Just your map frame, no map frame 1, no map frame 2. Scroll down to where you have just map frame, where you have your places, PIOS and everything.
Okay.
Alright, so now I want to remove this F class, right? Click on that F class, then click on it again. Click on it, not twice, so not double click. Just click once, rest, then click again. So that it selects this F class like this. Click once,
On the map.
relax, then click again. Not on the map, on F class. That's not where you're meant to be. Your places. Places.
It's showing like a bit that.
Under map frame, your places, yes. That's where we are. That's where you did legend for now, Abi.
Pieces.
Like what I'm saying is that the map that you are using for your legend, that's what we want to tweak now. Do you understand? That's why it is under map frame. The first thing you add, whatever the first map you add is named map frame. The second map you add is named map frame 1, then 2. Do you understand? So now click on that. When you open up places, maybe you can see F class on top.
Yes.
Click on that F class once, then click again, so that you'll be able to edit it. So backspace and just enter, so you can remove the F class distinct here. Open the PIOS and do the same thing. Open roads too and do the same thing.
So do it for everyone there.
Yeah, that has
So you
the
did
F
the F
class. Yes, just backspaces from there.
Okay.
Alright, now we have gotten rid of the F class issue, right? So now you will now go to this Ogun that is here now. Go to click on Ogun. If you click on Ogun, right click and go to the symbology. You will see that it asks you for label here. Well, that's what you want it to show in your legend. So you can just maybe type Ogun and put state at the back. Maybe you want to, like, for me now, I can just put Ogun State. Are we together? You see that the name already changed in my legend. So I'll go to the Nigerian state too and give it the label like maybe NIG underscore state. Change it to Nigeria state. So moving on, you right click on your legend and go to properties. Now this is where this legend properties now. So what we want to do is we want our legend title to show. So you tick on show. You tick the show. We want legend to show legend. So we'll now go to this legend. Congratulations. You now go to this legend properties. This one, show properties here. Under legend item, show properties. Now we don't want all this heading to show, all these places, PIOS, waterway, road. We don't want it to show. Do you understand? If you want it to show, you can leave it. Are we together? But personally, me, I don't want it to show. So I'll just click on layer name on check. Are we together? Now when you're arranging your legend, make sure that points are one side, line follow each other, polygon follow each other, so it doesn't look one kind. Alright, so now I've just unchecked that. If I want to increase the patch width, now patch is each symbol. If I want to increase them, I can increase them. If I want to increase their heights also, I can increase their heights. You can see that their height is moving, is changing. Alright, so now there is also indent. You can just play around with these things, but it's one that just works for now that I just want to do and come out of this thing. Alright, so moving on, you can change the font size of the legend item too from here. Text symbol. So you can change the text symbol and everything from here. Let me just, one thing I don't like here is the bold. Bold it. Aptos is just bold. Sometimes I want it on regular. Okay. Let's say I'm changing the size to, what size is everybody? Let me just leave it. Alright, so up next, let's say you want to now change, you want to work on the spacing. You can just come here and you can just come here and then the spacing, you can change the spacing from here. So let's say I want to change the space between the symbols and the text. I want to increase the spaces between them. Can you see that it's increasing? Spaces are increasing, but this doesn't make sense, so let me reduce the back. Alright, then title and items, that's from my between my legend and the items. I want to increase the space. Alright, let's say it makes sense for me this way. What else? Let's say thank you, the columns too. I want to increase their size. I think that's this enough. Yeah, I think this is enough. Alright, so now if you notice something, it's better that your legend items, that the first, you capitalize the first word. So to change that, where you can go and change it now from your symbology. If I go to my, okay, we already did that for the roads the other time. So for this one now, SPIOS, go to symbology. Just change the first one to bank. Sorry. They are big. Reduce the patch width. Patch under legend. Did you zoom in like me? Did you zoom in like this? Like, are you zoomed into your legend like this? Zoom out. It will not be big again. Reduce the height.
That's the patch height.
Yes. So whatever you change also changes. Oh, shit, I'm coming. There's also another way to tweak the legend, so I'll just talk about that briefly and we'll end this class. So I can send you the video and will not sleep here today. Alright, so that is that about that. You can change the others on your own at home. Okay, so another thing is that you see that this village now, in this legend, it doesn't make sense that this village is under the city and towns, right? So from here now, alright, so they are here. Just to move on to that aspect, there are some things that you might want to do, like you want to change your legend by yourself, like a graphic designer, you want to rearrange it yourself. So you just right click on the legend and click on convert to graphics. So when you click on convert to graphics, you have the, Stanley is not listening. When you click on convert to graphics, you have the chance to do these things on your own. They now become individual items. You can ungroup it so that you can now do your own tweaking by yourself. You are not bending to the rules of the legend anymore. You are doing your own thing. So you ungroup. When I ungroup now, you can see that like I now have access to now like change anything I like. I can click on them individually, right? And start changing whatever I want to change about them. So Stanley, if you convert to graphics, you can click on each one of them, come to graphics here and reduce the size. Can reduce the size from here. by this fill side, you reduce the size. Alright, that's that about legend. So for your by next week, I want to see that you have added the scale bar. You should add, okay, let me show you an example here. I know that if I send you people this map now, you ask me that we did not see we did not have contour, and I don't want that question. I don't. So anyway, add scale bar, add this spatial reference, add paper size, date produced, and add the person that produced it, your name. Produced by Ajanle Koko. Name is political map of Delta States, political half of Ondo or whatever. Then to add this special reference, select your main map. Go to insert. Under dynamic text, you will find your special reference there. This is my own here, special reference. Click on it. It has already written it for you automatically. You get the point. So it's already written there automatically. Then you can increase the text size. Come here and increase the text size to whatever. So these are our special reference here, right? This where do you go now? Suppose okay. So this is where you add. That's how you add special reference. So to add your normal text, it's you that will type produced by paper size and not the likes by yourself, right? And the title. So you click on this rectangular text here under your graphics and text, draw. Then you can type inside just the way you added title last week. You can type inside. You write produced by Kinikon. Produced by, you write date produced. You write paper size. And what the likes like that. And that is that about that. Praise the Lord.
Hallelujah.
That's all. Thank you very much for joining us today. I do not. Yes, so now when you want to export your map, when you are done, because please, this picture I want to see. Nobody should open ArcGIS Pro for me next week. I'm begging you. I don't want to see your ArcGIS Pro with this assignment. So what you are going to do is that, in fact, this map, please, it should be submitted. Send it as a picture to the group. It should be submitted on, please, latest next week Wednesday. We are moving to raster analysis next week. We are not coming back to vector again in Jesus' name. So yeah, please send it as a picture. So to do that, you see this share here. See share, export layout. Click on it. When it opens up this export layout window here, then you can choose the file type. Do you want JPEG? Do you want PNG? Do you want PDF? Do you want TIFF? Blah 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 blah. But I need you to export it as JPEG. So you click on JPEG. This folder by the side signifies where you want to save. Save it in pictures on your laptop. You have pictures on your laptop. Save it in pictures so you don't look for it. Save it in pictures. Just click on the folder by the side. Go to pictures. Give it the name you want to give it. I'm giving it. Let's say I'm giving it Alia Oshumori. Anyways, whatever. So give it a name, and then you click on save. Then you click on now we have resolution. Please export it in 500 dpi. I want the resolution in 500 dpi. That's I need it to be high resolution. When you're done with that, click on export. When you are sending it on WhatsApp will reduce the quality. So send it as document. You know how to send picture as document on WhatsApp. Send it as document and we'll review it and we'll give you your score by Thursday when you come. Thank you very much. God bless you. This is the end of today's service.
Please, can I copy first?
Why?
This is the end of today's service. The grace of the Lord Jesus Christ.